Auto insurance. Auto insurance attorney. Are you feeling overpowered and disappointed with the complexities of managing with auto protection claims? See no advance. Welcome to the office video of our regarded auto protection lawyers benefit, where we are here to assist you get it your rights and secure the recompense your merit. Exploring the complexities of insurance claims can be a genius challenge, with protection companies regularly utilizing strikes to pay down or any legitimate emolument. Our gifted lawyers have broad involvement managing with these strategies and know how to counter them successfully. Learn almost the common traps protection companies utilize and how our lawyers can assist you level the playing field. Auto insurance attorney. In the Our master auto protection lawyers will walk you through the perplexing world of auto protection claim, whether you have been included in a minor bumper drinking spree or a major collision. We have got you secured. We get it that confronting protections companies can be overwhelming, but with our direction, you will be encouraged to ensure your interests and get a reasonable settlement. Why you wish an auto protection lawyer? Auto insurance attorney. Auto insurance. Hope this video like. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Auto insurance attorney. Auto insurance.